Did you know that England is home to one of the world's greatest mysteries, Stonehenge, a site over 5,000 years old, built with stones weighing over 25 tons each? Or that its cities once echoed with the footsteps of Vikings and Roman conquerors, shaping its history in ways still visible today? England is more than its famous landmarks. It's a land of breathtaking beauty, ancient secrets, and stories waiting to be uncovered. Beyond Buckingham Palace and Big Ben, you'll find rolling countryside, medieval towns, and natural wonders that take you back in time. Imagine standing on cliffs that plunge dramatically into the sea or walking streets where history whispers from every corner. Each place reveals something extraordinary, a piece of England's soul that remains hidden from the casual traveler. Let's explore these wonders, where every step uncovers a story more captivating than the last. Number 10. Liverpool. Liverpool, located in the northwest of England, is a city with a rich maritime heritage and a vibrant cultural scene. Best known as the birthplace of the Beatles, Liverpool attracts music lovers from around the world. The Beatles Story Museum and iconic landmarks like Penny Lane and Strawberry Fields provide an immersive journey into the band's history. The city's waterfront, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the Albert Dock, a hub of restored warehouses now housing museums, galleries, and eateries. Among them, the Merseyside Maritime Museum offers insights into Liverpool's crucial role in global trade and migration. Fans of architecture will admire the Three Graces, a trio of historic buildings: the Royal Liver Building, the Cunard Building, and the Port of Liverpool Building, that dominate the skyline. For football enthusiasts, Liverpool is also home to two of England's most famous football clubs, Liverpool FC and Everton FC. A stadium tour of Anfield or Goodison Park offers a behind-the-scenes look at the passion driving the city's sports culture. With its lively music, rich history, and welcoming spirit, Liverpool offers a unique mix of tradition and modernity. Number 9. Oxford. Oxford, often called the City of Dreaming Spires, is renowned worldwide for its prestigious university and stunning architectural heritage. The University of Oxford, established in the 12th century, is the oldest in the English-speaking world and has educated countless influential figures. Iconic landmarks such as the Radcliffe Camera, the Bodleian Library, and the Sheldonian Theatre reflect the city's deep academic roots. Visitors can take a guided tour of the university's historic colleges, such as Christ Church, known for its magnificent dining hall that inspired the Harry Potter films. The university parks and Oxford Botanic Garden provide tranquil green spaces, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing afternoon. Another quintessential Oxford activity is punting on the River Cherwell or the Thames, where you can glide through serene waters while admiring the surrounding scenery. The city is also rich in literary history, with connections to writers like J.R.R. Tolkien and C.S. Lewis. Its blend of academic tradition, history, and natural beauty makes Oxford a truly captivating destination. Number 8. Brighton. Brighton, located on England's south coast, is a vibrant seaside town that combines traditional charm with a lively modern atmosphere. The iconic Brighton Pier, with its amusements and food stalls, is a favorite destination for families and tourists alike. Strolling along the pebbled beach offers a chance to enjoy fresh sea air and scenic views of the English Channel. Brighton's Royal Pavilion, a former royal residence, stands out with its exotic architecture inspired by Indian and Chinese styles. The Lanes, a network of narrow streets filled with independent boutiques, antique shops, and quirky cafes, is a haven for shoppers and explorers. Brighton's nightlife is equally diverse, with everything from cozy pubs to lively clubs. Known for its inclusivity and creativity, Brighton provides a unique mix of relaxation, culture, and excitement. Number 7. Cotswolds. The Cotswolds, an area of outstanding natural beauty, captures the quintessential English countryside with its rolling hills, charming villages, and honey-colored limestone cottages. Covering nearly 800 square miles, this region is dotted with picturesque towns like Bourton-on-the-Water, often referred to as the Venice of the Cotswolds for its idyllic streams and low bridges. Visitors can explore the Cotswold Way, a long-distance walking trail offering scenic views and a peaceful escape from urban life. Historical sites like Sudeley Castle and Broadway Tower add depth to the area's charm. The region is also known for its vibrant local markets, artisan crafts, and traditional pubs serving hearty English meals. The Cotswolds' serene beauty and timeless appeal make it an unforgettable destination. Number 6. Bath. Nestled in the southwest of England, Bath is celebrated for its Roman history and stunning Georgian architecture. The city's centerpiece, the Roman Baths, dates back to ancient times and showcases Bath's origins as a wellness retreat centered around natural hot springs. These baths are remarkably well preserved, allowing visitors to explore the bathing complex and learn about Roman engineering. The grandeur of Bath extends to its Georgian-era landmarks, such as the Royal Crescent and the Circus, which exemplify elegance and symmetry. Bath Abbey, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, offers breathtaking views of the city from its tower. For those seeking relaxation, the Thermae Bath Spa provides a modern experience of Bath's historic waters. Surrounded by rolling hills and the River Avon, Bath combines history, culture, and natural beauty in a truly enchanting way. Number 5. Lake District National Park. The Lake District, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in northwest England, is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Renowned for its stunning landscapes of glistening lakes, rolling hills, and rugged mountains, this region is home to England's highest peak, Scafell Pike, and its deepest lake, Wastwater. Each lake has its charm, with Windermere being the largest and most popular. Visitors can enjoy a variety of activities, from serene boat rides and kayaking on the lakes to hiking trails that cater to all skill levels. The Lake District also has a rich literary heritage, having inspired famous poets like William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge. A visit to Dove Cottage, Wordsworth's former home, offers a glimpse into his life and work. Quaint villages like Grasmere and Ambleside provide cozy tea rooms, local crafts, and a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, the Lake District's breathtaking beauty leaves a lasting impression. Number 4. London. As England's capital, London is a vibrant metropolis that seamlessly blends rich history with modernity. The city is home to iconic landmarks such as the Tower of London, a historic castle and former prison housing the Crown Jewels, and the Houses of Parliament with the renowned Big Ben Clock Tower. The British Museum offers an extensive collection of art and antiquities from around the world, while the National Gallery showcases masterpieces of Western European painting. London's diverse neighborhoods, from the bustling markets of Camden to the upscale boutiques of Mayfair, reflect its multicultural fabric. The city's culinary scene is equally varied, offering everything from traditional British fare to international cuisines. The West End Theatre District presents world-class performances, and numerous parks and green spaces, such as Hyde Park and Regent's Park, provide urban oases for relaxation and recreation. Number 3. Hadrian's Wall. Stretching across northern England, Hadrian's Wall was built by the Romans in the 2nd century AD as a defensive fortification, marking the northern boundary of the Roman Empire. Spanning approximately 73 miles from the banks of the River Tyne near the North Sea to the Solway Firth on the Irish Sea, the wall was constructed under the orders of Emperor Hadrian. Today, significant portions of the wall remain intact, offering a unique insight into Roman engineering and military strategy. Visitors can explore various forts, mile castles, and turrets along the wall, with sites like Housesteads Fort providing a glimpse into the daily lives of Roman soldiers stationed on the frontier. The surrounding landscapes, characterized by rolling hills and rugged terrain, enhance the historical ambience of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 2. York. Nestled in North Yorkshire, York is a city steeped in rich history, dating back to Roman times. Its well-preserved medieval architecture and cobbled streets offer a glimpse into England's past. The city's most prominent landmark, York Minster, is one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Northern Europe, renowned for its stunning stained glass windows and intricate stonework. The Shambles, a narrow medieval street lined with timber-framed buildings, is often cited as one of the best preserved medieval shopping streets in Europe. York's Viking heritage is celebrated at the Jorvik Viking Centre, where visitors can explore reconstructed Viking Age streets and learn about the city's Norse past. Walking along the ancient city walls provides panoramic views and a tangible connection to York's layered history. Number 1. Stonehenge. Stonehenge, located in Wiltshire, stands as one of the world's most enigmatic prehistoric monuments. Constructed between 3000 BC and 2000 BC, this ancient stone circle comprises massive sarsen stones, each weighing approximately 25 tons, arranged in a circular layout. The purpose of Stonehenge remains a subject of debate among historians and archaeologists. Some theories suggest it functioned as an astronomical calendar, aligning with the solstices, while others propose it served as a ceremonial or burial site. The sheer scale and precision of its construction, achieved without modern machinery, continue to astonish visitors and scholars alike. Today, Stonehenge is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting millions who seek to experience its mysterious allure firsthand. England is a land of wonders, where history, culture, and natural beauty come together to create unforgettable experiences. From ancient monuments to vibrant cities, every corner of this incredible country has a story to tell. Whether you're drawn to its mysterious sights, breathtaking landscapes, or bustling towns, England offers something for everyone. If you enjoyed exploring these amazing places, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating travel content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest adventures. Share your favorite destination from this list in the comments below, or let us know if there's a hidden gem you think deserves the spotlight. Until next time, happy travels!